Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you actually have a premium coupon and that it's tied to the game account you're using. Open Archero, go to your inventory and check both Mail and Coupons tabs. Once found, note any expiration. Make sure you're on the latest client and connected to Wi-Fi so the redemption will process cleanly. If you bought it externally, verify the transaction completed. Once done, proceed immediately to the shop interface to apply it. Next, go straight into the shop and select Coupons or the Offers section where premium coupons are accepted. Look for an item explicitly marked as coupon eligible. This is essential because most offers won't accept premium coupons. Select that item, then tap Redeem or Apply Coupon. You'll see the price adjust or a confirmation pop up. Confirm the action and wait for the success message. If the button is grayed out, check that you selected the. Finally, confirm the redeemed item appeared in your inventory or mail immediately after the success screen. This completes the coupon flow. If it doesn't show up, close and restart Archero, because many delivery issues resolve on a full relaunch. If the problem persists, capture the purchase confirmation or transaction ID and contact in-game support. Explain you used a premium coupon and include timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: don't reinstall the app before contacting support. Preserve logs and transaction proof.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.